Ah man, not again. Why did you use the Andrew Helm Scream SFX again, when Dipsy, Tinky Winky, and Lala, are screaming like that?
You know this sound effect can give me a earache. Stop using that sound effect.
You should use the Thaddeus Bile Scream sound effect from Monsters Incorporated. But no, you did not listen to me. You did not listen to me when you used the Flippy Scream sound effect from Happy Tree Friends. Even thought Happy Tree Friends sucks.
If you use it one more time, I will make a extreme rant video out of you again. End of call out.